Hey there, this is Holly, the creator of the powerful Mindfinity Expressions artwork. Thank you for watching this quick video about this beautiful healing artwork, Be Limitless. I created this beautiful art piece to help strengthen my own personal power, and I want to share this one with you in hopes that it will help you in some profound way too. This one will bring you endless motivation and healing, and when you gaze at the image for just 68 seconds, you too will feel the expansiveness of self-confidence and motivation in your current reality. If you have watched some of my other videos, you may know that I intentionally combined 5 key elements to create super powerful energy into each piece of art. For my Be Limitless piece, the first key element is the centerpiece. This piece of healing artwork features an 18-karat gold-plated Seed of Life sacred geometry medallion. In sacred geometry, the seed of life symbol contains the building blocks for existence. Followers of sacred geometry believe these spheres were the blueprint for more complex structures, which formed life and the universe. From the 2 spheres, the creator added a 3rd sphere that interconnected with the first 2, and then a 4th and a 5th, and so on. This creation, leading to 7 interconnected spheres, which are illustrated in the Seed of Life symbol, coincide with the story of creation in the book of Genesis. According to the story, the Creator made the world in 7 days. The second key element is the unique combination of crystals, which creates a special overall meaning for this specific art piece. In this one, we have red tiger eye, red aventurine, yellow tiger eye, Hematite, mother of pearl, and king quartz. The third key element is the color and associated chakras. The overall energy of this piece, due to its red-orange color, brings a feeling of self-confidence, personal power, and motivation through your sacral chakra. Orange is associated with the sacral chakra, which connects you with your sexual energy. It is the gateway to our creativity, intuition, personal expansion, and sexual pleasure. It is the center where we design our life vision. The color orange is made of 2 primary colors, red, which is often associated with passion and power, as well as yellow, which is often associated with joy and confidence. Orange is often described as an energetic color. It may call to mind feelings of enthusiasm and excitement. It is adventurous, ambitious, bold, courageous, creative, enthusiastic, motivated, optimistic, sociable, and unique. Orange is symbolic of the rising consciousness, just like a sunrise. The 4th key element is the sacred geometry pattern. This piece has a seed of life symbol in the center and represents the power of 7. The number 7 means logic, understanding, spirituality, and intellect. There are 7 notes or pitches in a diatonic musical scale, A through G. There are 7 colors in the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The 7 main chakras or energy fields in our bodies, crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root. The creation of the world took 7 days as told in the book of Genesis. Last but not least is the overall energy of this piece, which creates a powerful manifestation portal for expanding your limitless creativity. The piece contains a Seed of Life portal, which in essence, with its 7 interconnected circles, symbolizes the interconnection of life on Earth and universal existence. It also symbolizes that all life originated from a single source and a divine plan. As for the sacred part, the proponents of this theory believe that these symbols, their structure and formulas, are a very real evidence of divine creation and planning. For example, the so-called Fibonacci spiral is one of the clearest examples of sacred geometry. This is a repeating pattern in the universe and nature. There are spirals everywhere, starting from shells and ending with tornadoes and galaxies. The spiral represents an expansion from one point, something that gains momentum and increases. Can you feel the expansiveness and motivational energy of this piece? This explanation should give you a sense of the powerful energy this beautiful artwork will bring you. This unique piece is literally the only one of its kind. If you want to enjoy these benefits on a regular basis, you won't want to pass up the opportunity to welcome this one into your home. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video where I will explain another unique piece of art that will blow you away with its infinite energy.